Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the broken sword fast in Sailor Piece. So let's get straight into the video. If you guys want to find out how to get the broken sword, make sure you watch the video up until the end. But anyways, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys can do is make your way over to the teleport section. Once you are on the teleport section, make your way over to Slime Island. And once you guys teleport to Slime Island, you guys want to look for the enemies with the with the sword, and they will be able to drop it. So go ahead and just beat them. And one thing you guys can do is once you beat them, instead of like waiting for them to respawn, you can simply just teleport out of the island, and then teleport anywhere else, and then just teleport back, and then that should reset the enemies. So you guys can just quickly do that, and then defeat them again, and whatever, try to get the sword that way. So that should be pretty much it. That is how to get the broken sword fast in Sailor Piece. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.